Hi everyone! Today's video's topic is all about yours and my teenage daughter. And to all the parents out there who had a daughter who just turned officially as a teenager, in short, a 13-year-old. This video's inspiration is my daughter who just turned 13 today. And I hope that you can relate to my video as you traverse the journey of raising a daughter. The big question is, how did I survive in every chapter of raising my now 13-year-old? Everything that I say in this video is based on my own opinion and experience. Each one of us has different ways of raising our daughter. I have to admit, it's not easy, and I know you feel the same way as I do. They go through stages, and every stage is a totally different challenge than the last one. It could be scary, exciting, sad, joyful. Sometimes you get angry. It's all mixed feeling. But okay, let me enumerate 5 or actually 7 of some steps or action that I did on survival. Number 1. Stop overthinking. Yes, I do overthink about raising my daughter. And I always understand that we all have. But you know what? We just have to breathe and stay calm. They'll grow up. Number 2. I plan an activity where we can forget the mother-daughter relationship. I shop with her, we hike, or sometimes we do TikTok together. Travel, just do whatever. Lots of traveling actually. Anything that makes her feel free from household pressure for a moment. So there was this 2 times that I let her unbox some luxury pieces that I bought, as she was very curious why I buy such expensive stuff. So I took her shopping and let her unbox those items for me, and then ask her opinion about it and how she feels. Did she feel anything while unboxing it? Did she feel happy or whatever? Well, she said nothing. She'd rather want me to buy her the latest iPhone. Funny but true. So I said, one day you'll understand the principles of self-reward. This moment actually made her feel important just because I asked her opinion without any prejudice. She actually told me, yeah, one day I will reward myself something expensive, but bigger than this, which is really funny. But yeah, I appreciate that moment so much. I appreciate this moment just because she learned that a person actually could reward herself something special, something big for an achievement, for a job well done.
Very pretty.
Number 3, encourage her to pursue a healthy lifestyle, a healthy relationship. Encourage her to pursue friendship that feed her soul. Encourage her to pursue sports, lots of sports, or a hobby or anything that she enjoys that makes her happy and makes her feel fulfilled and important. Number 4, never attack her weakness personally. Never criticize her and never compare. Never judge and take time to listen to her frustrations and guide her and make recommendations without judgment. Let her talk and cry or get grumpy. Just stay away when she's really grumpy. Support her emotions, her dreams, her aspirations. My child is not perfect and so am I. I can usually sense when she gets irritated and I become a nagging mother. And if that happens, I slow down. I know I bug her and it won't take us anywhere if I keep nagging. Which remind me of my childhood. So what I do is I just take a breath, talk to her in a way she understands the consequence of her actions. Number 5, I make sure that there's other adult involvement in her life rather than just me and my partner, the parents, or her dad. I make sure that aunties, uncles, teachers, grandma, grandpa are there too, but because they are very important people in our kids' life. These people brings joy to our teenager and makes them feel secured. Number 6, show her respect because this is how she understands the essence of respect to others and to us as parents. If you want respect, you have to show them their space, their being a person, being who they are being respected as well.
Tanisha's in the hook for ramen. Spicy. How's your ramen now? It's good. Yeah, I like it. How's yours, Lay?
Number 7, always let her know in a loving way that we are their mom. I know sometimes my daughter could draw the line, could go beyond the line, but I always let her know that I am her mother and it is my responsibility to mold her into a better person by discipline, by setting the rules, by setting the house rules that she needs to follow. But of course, it has to be done with love. So there you go. I believe that the most noble thing that a parent can do to their teenage daughter is a little self-sacrifice of our ego, our time, and money, while we give them lots of love. And that's it.
Alright!
That's the end of the video. I hope that I have contributed tidbits of value that you have gained from watching this tribute. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure to click that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon in my next video.